If you skip this step, your answer will always be wrong. But once you know the rule, this becomes easy. Never multiply mixed numbers directly. Convert first. Multiply the whole number by the denominator, then add the numerator. 7 over 3 times 3 over 4. Multiply the tops, 7 times 3 is 21. Multiply the bottoms, 3 times 4 is 12. Answer, 21 over 12. Simplify at the end. Comment yes if this makes sense. Convert both, multiply, then simplify. Step 1. Convert the mixed numbers. 1 1/2 becomes 3 over 2. 2 2/3 becomes 8 over 3. Step 2. Multiply, 3 over 2 times 8 over 3 equals 24 over 6. 24 over 6 equals 4. If you skip conversion, everything breaks. Pause the video and drop your answer in the comments. Save this video if mixed numbers confuse you. Share it with someone preparing for exams. Follow for the next lesson. Thank you.